So Aman, let's talk about your second vertical, which is plastic injection moldings. Tell us more about this particular vertical and what all kind of work which you're doing in here.
So presently, we have in-house injection molding capacities starting from 40 tons to about 1800 tons, and we are catering to various verticals like home appliances, kitchen appliances, lighting, and automotive. So I will quickly take you through some of the components that we're doing. As you can see, these are some of the kitchen appliances, like for example, JMGs, egg boilers, mixer grinders, blender bottles. Then these are the components. These are kitchen
Induction
components for
plates.
chimneys, blower housings, blowers, induction cooktops. So this is for kitchen appliances, and moving on from kitchen, some of the products that we're doing for home appliances, such as water heaters. So this you can see, this is for our client Gold Medal. Then we have an entire range starting from 6 liters to up to 35 liters for Jaguar. These are the moldings that we're doing for appliances. Moving on to the next vertical, that is automotive. Presently, we are catering to SML Isuzu. So some of the moldings that we are supplying, this is the bumper grill. As you can see, these are two models for their commercial vehicles. Apart from bumper grills, there are other products like air grills, air guide plates, footrests. So these are all what we are doing.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, Aman. Thank you.